Cancer, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I have a special treat there for you. But your word of the day is the voice of your heart. My question to you is, what is your heart telling you? What is the contents? What is the beat? What is the rhythm? Dance to your own beat. You're original. You came in this world by yourself. Therefore, you're going to leave by yourself. Leave your mark. Leave your print. Your fingerprint is unique to yourself. Leave your print down here, your footprint, that others, they can follow your footsteps and also enjoy the fruits of your labor and the fruits of your knowledge. I silence the fear in me and I discover the voice of my heart. You're not scared to be yourself. You're totally fine with being the odd one out the bunch, because the odd always makes sure that the even's needs and concerns are already met. To create something that's been deemed impossible or not even made yet, you have to be different. So I'm glad that you're actually embracing your different. The fruit of these words guides me, and I trust the song of my soul. My intuition leads me to my path of light and individuality. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.